The main difference between a data analyst and a Power BI developer is, as a Power BI developer, your main focus will be only on Power BI, but in data analyst role, the employer or the client will expect you to know also SQL, Excel, in some cases, Python also. So if you are a data analyst, you can means you have to uh, work with means Power BI or any other tool like Tableau or ClickSense. But along with that, you have to work on SQL also. Means you have to collect data, and in some cases means you have to clean the data also, and you have to work on Excel in some cases, and also if there is a requirement, you have to use the Python. But as a Power BI developer, your main focus will be only on Power BI. So you should have a good knowledge of tax, Power BI service, the Power BI query, the ETL tool, and yes, this is the main difference.